So I know it's gonna be Halloween season soon, but this is nothing paranormal. Right, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, so stick around. First, you want to make sure that the light is switched off. Then you want to go and trip the house. So how you do that is you can turn on the faulty light and you start tripping. So let's say this one. Nope, still, let's go wide angle. Okay, this one. And there we go. So that is the breaker which isolates that light. Alright, so now that we've got the light switched off, we're going to remove the lighting plate. There are two screws on each side. Just want to pop them off. Alright, so the light has come down. We have this connector right here. It's really simple, just give it a tug, it should come up. So you want to save this one because the new light doesn't come with a connector. We're going to use this and a new light and we're going to put it back together again. Okay, this is the old one and this is the new one. So as you can see, we have a slight issue here. Let me just take out the old driver. Right, the new one is much smaller than the old one. So every light comes with a bracket. There's one right here. And we have to change the one that's on the ceiling. So I'm going to take that one out. I'm going to put this one in before we assemble the lights. Now I did mention that we need to be swapping this connector over to the new driver. So that's pretty simple. Now just grab the test pen, just unscrew off. Now the new driver, okay, as you can see, these are both white. Alright, there's no indication on which is live, which is neutral. So what that means is you could put them in any hole and that would work. You know, just make sure that they are not in ground because, you know, that won't work obviously. But yeah, you put one in live and one in neutral, like that. So make sure that the screws are sitting on the bare wire and not on the insulation. Now you give them a tug, make sure it's fixed, and that's it. Now the way that this is set up, there's a larger bracket. As you can see, the new one is much smaller, so we have to take that out. Okay, and what the previous installer did is, let me show you. So what the previous installer did was he put the connector, you know, after the hole. And in doing that, you know, it's not that easy to take out. So we do have to, unfortunately, we do have to take out the connector. As you can see, it says neutral, N and L. Neutral is blue. Put one in the bottom hole. Tighten it. The holes on the ceiling do not really line up with the holes on the new bracket. So what I'm going to do is just going to go down for a while and drill another hole right there. So I just grab my marker. Right, I'm going to choose one hole, which is this one, and then I'm just going to see where this one lives. And that's going to put a mark right there. So that's where the other hole is supposed to go. Okay, the new hole is drilled. I'm going to put back the wall plugs. 1, 2. I'm going to line up the new bracket. Up goes the driver, right? Then connect this up. Okay, just hide it all together, line up the hole on the right. So we got that done. What we're going to do is, what we're going to do is we are going to give it a test and see if it works. Alright, so it's done. That's the simple way to install a panel light. Just follow it step by step, and I'm sure you'll save a lot of money if you do it yourself. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.